What are you doing there, Will?
Well, I'm curious, obviously, and I don't know why, but for a reason, I don't really know the reason, I just want to see what is inside of the bolt that I'm loosening after I take it off.
So you're working on your chopper?
Now I just noticed that the other bolt side
is that turning too?
Is turning too.
Yeah.
It's
It's connected. So you just wanted to work on your chopper a little bit?
Yeah. The chopper's over there.
Oh, which one is this?
This is the regular chopper.
Yeah.
I might.
Good thing you've got the right tools.
Yes, for everything. See, I want basically folder, like, not really pole, but
that's the axle.
Yeah, the axle. Which I'm curious. Does it spin?
I don't think so.
Well, if the axle doesn't spin, how does the wheel spin?
They rotate around the axle.
That's my question. And I want to get the real true answer to that.
Yeah. Well, that's a good way to find out. Just be careful not to break it.
And to me, the way to get the answer is just to take it apart.
Yep. Are you going to be able to put it back together?
Well, yes. Probably, because you're filming video.
Yeah.
So we can see how it went.
How it came apart. Right.
And then we can copy it back.
That's a good point.
And basically put it back together. So.
Okay.
Keep watching the video.
Okay.
Hey, and obviously I'm working on a motorcycle with my motorcycle jacket.
Right. That makes sense.
Yes, it very well does.